DoNotPay subscription legal management pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They think legal subscription services are just gimmicks. The surprising truth is that DoNotPay's legal subscription can save you hundreds of dollars and countless hours by automating routine legal tasks. DoNotPay offers a subscription plan at per month, granting access to all its AI-driven legal services. This includes subscription cancellation, fighting parking tickets, generating legal letters, and managing various consumer rights tasks. Essentially, the AI handles repetitive legal processes that would otherwise require hiring a lawyer or spending hours on paperwork. For example, if you have multiple subscriptions to cancel, DoNotPay automates the process by generating proper cancellation requests and sending them on your behalf. Users have reported saving hundreds of dollars annually and avoiding unwanted charges with minimal effort. Most people get this wrong by thinking legal automation is unreliable. DoNotPay's AI is designed to follow legal protocols and ensure requests are compliant, giving users confidence in outcomes without the typical legal cost. In conclusion, DoNotPay subscription legal management provides excellent value. It's affordable, efficient, and powerful, turning tedious legal tasks into automated workflows. For anyone looking to streamline their legal obligations while saving money, this subscription is a smart choice.